start putting 6 lots on this thing on my IB. I want to capture a couple of moves here that are looking pretty fantastic so far. All right, I heard something on the bell. They are buying the 80s, hitting the bid at 141. They're buying those 80s. Oops, somebody speaking? Was you Emmanuel? I don't know. That's right. All right, live now on YouTube, guys, making a killing this morning, completely in the markets. So far, my guys, they are already pretty pre-market, making some good amount of money. Those of you here in YouTube, market settling down here in the 80s. Right around the 80s, 81s. Let's see if we want to get another move to another 10 points. Let's wait it out. All right, oil is stopping at 71, which, man, want to get it. Come on, come back a little bit. Just go down. Go down. Just a tiny bit. Just a tiny bit. Euro 0 at 118.85. Right, they're coming to 76 once again. Rinse and repeat. Let's see if we're gonna got this 45-degree line hold at 73. Give me a double bottom there. It is almost 10 a.m. Oh, there is a delay on YouTube? There was a delay? What do you mean a delay? Is it freezing or... Hold on, let me look. Oh, but that's a YouTube probably issue, brother. Let's see if it is a delay. Let me move the mouse here. Oh, yes. There is like a 2 seconds delay, I believe, on the feed coming to YouTube, which is understandable. I mean, it's a free platform, so what they do is they get it. I mean, I can reset it. What I can do is reset a couple of settings here to stream at a different rates. Let me do that. Let me see if I can reset it. About 30 seconds delay. 30 seconds. I just saw like about 2.5 seconds. This is what I'm going to do. Let me stop it for a minute. Well, I have some couple of people there logged in already. Let me look at the stream mode. I see why. I apologize. Let's see if this is gonna get it fixed. Right, let me do this. There you go. That's better. This is live. You know what the problem is? OBS was recording. There should not be no delay whatsoever on YouTube now. I am just clicking and playing with the ladder, and you see me. I'm seeing live right now. So the live feed is pretty good and steady on YouTube. There is no delay whatsoever right now. Thank you, Emmanuel, for that. I just realized I was recording these things. Man, probably my C drive is going to be packed. Okay, let's go back to ES right at the new. Rinse and repeat. You guys heard me. I'll go and see if this low of the day, initial balance, is going to hold. The buyer came in line again. Buyers are not showing up. The guy already bought those 71s early on. 41.70 is buzzing, baby. Oh yeah, bubble. Bubble is buzzing. So I'll take a small long here. I'm only gonna take one lot right at 67. You know what? My risk is very small. I'll wait for that 67. 67, excuse me. Let me see the 67. The line in the sun is going to hold. So I have two orders. One of them is a sell stop below 67. One of them is to go long at the 67. Right? 67 to go long. Come on, baby. Hit me on those 67s. I'm gonna load 2 more lots. And if that comes around, there he goes. Here we have it. Bubble, are you really gonna give me 42, brother? You are really gonna give me that 42. Right, pulling. 64, we got completed. I think we completed this immediately. 69 deltas negative now. New low of the day. Are they trapping these guys now? Let's see. Did they finish? We did finish that auction. So the auction is finished. So I'll go slow here. Long 71s again. All right. The auction is finished. Oh, man, that was so sweet. Thank you for that graphic. That naked 41.48. Yes. So I believe I mentioned the naked TPOs on that plan. 41.50 for some naked TPOs. Yes. So you see that, Omar, right? So yes, we have some naked TPOs right around the 41.50. So yes, I got it, brother. Thank you so much for that. Those are pretty good numbers to go and grab right now, all the way at 41.50. All the way at 41.50. No, you don't need to work on that, brother. It just happens, man. Sometimes, even to me, I was like, man, did I miss the level? Did I miss a number? So those of you who were trading TQQ with me as stocks, what did I said? Yeah, what did I said? Long 111. I exited at 112. Now back at 111. So I make that $1,000 on the way up. Now I'm gonna wait for see if I can get those 110s. These 110s are looking healthy right there on my TQQ. So $1,000 on my stocks, couple of $1,000 on my trading here on with you guys. They executed a long 71 for me. 5 minutes to go, expiration. I am long 71. They executed the long 71. Long 71. My risk is these 3 points. My reward is 80. Right? It's about 9 points reward. Let's see if we're going to get it. Let's go back to the ladder. If I see the 67 coming, I'm out. Right? Here goes 71 again. I'm going to have a very tight stop. Sorry. I apologize. Come on, sweetie. Let's get this baby started. All right, 73s, bring me 74s, please. Let me get one off the table. Give me 75. Guys, give me 5 minutes. I'll be right back. I'm going to mute the mic. I have an order to get out right at 76. Let me see. There. Fuck, they got me at 76. They got me at 76. I have a runner to 80, moving my stop to 75. I am moving the stop to 75. 5 points. Guys, I'll be right back. Give me 1 second. Okay, sorry, back. What do we have? 80s, not yet. Christ, okay. Runner is still going. Runner is still going. I'm gonna move my stop to 78. There, I'm out. Freaking later. They got me. I move my stop to 78. So I got 7 and I got 5 on this. They tagged the 80. They didn't get me at the 80, so that's so messed up. They're going to be playing games with this. Danny, what do you say, Danny? What is Danny? With you, 73, out 79, plus 6. Nice. Great, Danny. My risk was very limited. Very, very limited. And that's only based on my line in the sand that I've been talking about it all day with you guys. That 67 needs to hold. If those of you don't know what that 67 means, maybe I'll show you one after I close the room or near the closing of the room. But that 67 comes from, hopefully I'm going to be able to show it to you right now. Line in the sand. Where are you, baby? There it is. That is the 41.67. You see it on the screen. I'm going to highlight it. It's right here. 41.67, right? This is the line in the sun that gave us the all-time high. April, right? This was April. There were a lot of commercial paper bought right here. That commercial paper is still long, all right? This commercial paper is still there. So the line in the sand was this 67, and you guys recall this beautiful day, May 10, when we gave that 4% pullback. We double bottom at this 4,050, and we start moving higher, okay? So this is the 3-day balance from April, the first week of April, and this baby gave us the all-time high for about only 180 points. So the line in the sand today is for them to hold this. Otherwise, woo, baby, we are going to 4,100, right? So they need to hold this commercial paper. They need to hold that 41.67, guys. Holy moly, look at the freaking oil not stopping at 71. Now it's almost 72, guys. Oil hitting the, man, ground running this morning. And I am not on it, which is disgusting, but it is what it is. So that line 41.67, I just explained it to you guys. I'm going to go back to trading now. I have a couple of alerts here. Oh, yeah, one alert just hit on the thing that we were below 75 again. So I always have a couple of alerts hitting on my interactive broker because I pay attention to what the market is doing. Specifically at some levels that I'm all based on the plan. I'm looking at the plan, and that 75 hit again. Did we close the gap? No, we haven't closed the gap yet. We have not closed the gap. All right, rinse and repeat for me? Really? Really? I missed the short, I guess. Seriously? I missed that 80 short or whatever it was, that 79. Did anybody shorted those? Guys, they were trapping them. And I think this is the move. When I exited that 78 here, people just got trapped big time. We finished that auction at 72 now. Anybody grab those 72s? This was a nice finish auction at 72 that we just get. Let's see if they're going to extend this and give me this 72 is finished. Please take me back to the 80s. That will be another 8 points on this baby. But if you can just drop them a little bit. Let's see. Delta's picking up just a tiny bit. Interesting that we see this very nice 64 sitting at 68. And it's finished auction. This is a finished auction right there. Here we go. Let's see if they're going to come back to this 68. B period is open. You're welcome, Danny. Let's concentrate on what's going on in the markets right now. Man, that short out of that 80 was pretty nice. About 10 points on that short. Both ends of the spectrum, we can be playing them. Come to Papa at 68. Another finish auction immediately on that 68. So do we have a poor low right now? I'll be careful going long any something. Let's see. Where are you, sweetie? Look at a couple of things here that are very important. Ah, man, did I just... This one, sorry. Let me expand this all the way to July. There. I want you to look what I have highlighted here on my charts. High volume node. There goes 67. They are about to execute it. They execute my long, but they didn't execute my short. Nice trade bubble. Woo! They executed my long 67s. They did not execute my short because we didn't go underneath, but they stopped right at 67. So I just got me that 67, and I'm gonna play it really safe. I'm gonna move the stop really tight. I have 3 points on this sucker now. Let me see. Come on. Oh man, this is gonna be. I'm gonna miss a lot of fun, guys, with you guys after 11 a.m. Do any of you want to grab the mic after 11 a.m.? You guys are more than welcome to do that. Give me 1 sec. Where is my other interactive broker account? 111.40 on my TQQ. They are holding this TQQ. Wow, look at oil, $72. I mean, $71.60 on oil. Guys, I'm going to grab these 4 points. I'm waiting to see if I'm going to go back up to those 79s. I mean, the 67 long executed. The order was just sitting there. And I'm going to get out. They are hitting the bids. The bids are really grabbing everything. Let me go to the ladder. But this is important. I'm going to save this right now. This volume node at 44, those of you who traded with me, hit is 75. Man, I'm going to take those 5 points. 7 points. Even 75 and a quarter. 75 and a quarter. 75 and a quarter. I'm exited 74. I'm going to take those 7 points. 6 points, 6.5, whatever it was. Got them out. Let me see if I'm going to have some more fun. And shorted that 80. Man, that 80 short was such a gorgeous thing. Bubble, did you get that? Or did you exit it already, the whole thing? Or what was the 4,000? You saw the 4,000? Where? Was that the 67 market that it hit? 4,000? Is that the thing that lifted me? Because somebody hit a big number on that 67 on the drop. And that's the commercial paper that I'm referring to. So someone might have hit in that 67, 68, it's a big number. I don't see it here, but anyways, I'll look into it. Down 400 points on the on the Dow Jones, excuse me. Dow Jones about 400 points. Man, they're going to give me some more money. I'm going to go back and get it. 4,000. You see it on the volume. Got you. Yeah, they just came out of it, man. Thank you, Omar. They came out of nowhere. Came out of nowhere. I think I have the volume somewhere here now that you mentioned that. There it is. Right here. Yeah. Big number, around 4,000. That was you, Bubble. Don't tell me it was not you, brother. Don't lie to me, man. Please. Has to be you. It had to be you. Who else? You know? Who else? Who moves the European markets? Bubble trader. Who moves the New York markets at 10:30? Bubble trader. At the same time, 4K and 2K came up. Yep, same times. Man, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. Man, are they gonna give me 80? I'm gonna load the 80s if they're gonna play the game with bubble. Please let me know when you hit the sell button. So I'm gonna go with you on 80. Short to those 67s again. I'm glad that we are recording this and it's gonna be on YouTube for you guys to see it later on. How in the hell did they knew about that line 67? How? How is it possible? 4180 coming up. Yep. How is it possible that they show up 6,000 lots right there? And I just talked about it 5 minutes ago. This is what experience gives you, right? You will only get that at ES Live. I'm sorry for the other gurus. I don't think you will get that number anywhere else. If you show me any other guru who gave you 4167, I'll refund you the money of your monthly premium. If you can find me, but I need somebody to trade it that. You need to prove to me that he traded that number. Live, 6 lots, 67. I already explained that, Emmanuel. Maybe you missed it. I already explained the 67 number. I already explained it, where it came from, all the way from March, April, all the way from April. Yes, you probably missed it. So if you can show me any other guru from Twitter, social media, I don't care what it is, that they traded live that number, I'll refund you, give you free a whole fucking year, free room. If you can find me somebody, I need proof statement they went long 67 with me right there when somebody hit 6,000 lots on the market. Commercial paper showed up at that number. You will not get that anywhere else, I can guarantee you. I have been to every single room there is, every single guru there is. They paper trade and they don't execute their orders. Paper trade only. Something we don't do here. I mean, I think Bubble is a million by now. And Omar having a fantastic day today. Omar, you're just killing it, brother. Game is on. The game is not over until it's over. Now we have a very nice initial balance, guys, by the way. The IB for today is about 20 points from 66 to 84. It's about 20 points, 66, 86, 18 points, more or less. Okay, 18 points range. So you will have a lot of choppiness into the end of the day. Yes, not choppiness, balance. And I talked about balance before, even before we hit that 67. Even before they hit the 67. We talk about balance. And we haven't closed the gap yet. So it looks like the first scenario is working where we said it. If we drop those 84s, eventually gonna get that number. And then we're going to go back up, then down, and eventually late afternoon into the expiration of those options, we might see another squeeze coming up. Might get it. I don't know. I have no clue what the market is going to do. I have no clue. I'm just reading the tape. That's all I read. My life is right here on this baby. Nowhere else. Right? This is what my life is. 6,000. Kaboom. All right, back at 80. Bubble, are you ready to hit it? 76 and a quarter. Come on. Tempo is slowing down here. Are you going to pull the bits? Come on, pull them up. Pull them up. Pull them up. Let's get going here. Let me go back to my ES trade here. $75, $76. They're trying. Back at the open. We are above the open now. Pay attention. We are above the open now. We have seen what they have done a couple of times where we tag this open, go to 80 and reverse. We'll play the game again. Same thing. Let's see if I can place a couple of orders here on this account. And let me go back to my interactive broker account. Let's see if my client is online already. Yep, he is here. He is here. Hello, Steven. I love you, brother. All right, 1150s, 1168s, 1162 on... I'm looking at the tape. I'm sorry, I apologize. I'm looking at the tape of something else. Waiting for 110s on my TQQs. What do we have in the news so far? Nice. S&P 500 is down 1%, and these guys are all over the news talking about it. Come on, 1% is absolutely nothing. Nothing. So Williams, you guys recall that I posted for you guys on Monday that every single month of June the market was done this week. He got pretty accurate prediction on that. I think I gave you guys to on Monday, right? Was it on Monday? Yeah, Monday. I gave you that on Monday. He posted that on, I believe was Friday, previous week. So this week of June is usually a down week for the S&P. I think he grabbed it. He probably shorted this thing last week with options. Coming to 73s. Let's see if we're going to get a 67 again. What happened? We didn't get the 80 bubble. I have my order sitting at 80 here and no love from you yet. Sorry. Oh my goodness, excuse me guys. Sorry. So cold, it's bugging me. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I'm back. Oops. Sorry guys, I have to mute my mic. Allergies are bugging me. And anyways, I was trying to look for that tweet that I posted on Monday. Ah, there it is. I found it. What is it? Oh, my friend posted. That's right, Seth. Come on, Tweety. Where are you? Larry Williams. I hope you guys know who Larry Williams is. There you have it. Trying to catch the bid on the Europeans. They haven't been able to. How much are we down? 1.3% on the DAX right now. Let me look at the DAX. 1.8%. So the S&P is down only 1%. So can we get 4150, please? 4150 going once, 4150 going twice. If we can get 4150, that would be nice. All right, down to 4169s again, 4967s. Oh my goodness. 4146 is the target profit. Yeah. Anyways, this guy was posting this last week, and we pretty much grab, you know, his strategy. I wouldn't call this timing selling a strategy because you have to look at a lot of factors in the market. But he looks at June. 22 out of 3, 21 out of 22 previous years, 95% return rate on the SPX. Okay, 95%. So, man, I miss MAGA, man. I missed him so freaking much. It's like if we don't have a president in this country. I mean, let's just put it that way. Sometimes I feel like we don't have a president. We don't have no one with the balls, with the cojones to talk the way it was. So he would be right now. He would be probably tweeting right now. Guys, hold on. They executed my short. Holy crap! Hold on. Let me get out of this. Let me get the hell out. They execute a short. The sell stop on 67 is executed. And by the way, I'm looking at it. This guy can show up again and squeeze the heck out of me. Let me close that. I'm going to reverse that for now. I want to wait for the market to give me the 80 to short and not the 67. So let me lose this 1 point. I'm going to close it. Get out. Man, Interactive Broker is so freaking slow. They hit me 68 and a quarter on that move. So I just lost a point, almost two points. My sell stop was below 67. They execute the 67, and you see what I got out, right? Man, that's the reason I got out. Yes, but I hit the stupid thing, and these guys took a freaking, oh my God, like almost a second to execute my order. Like, I don't know, are you guys having issues with Thinkorswim today? I'm not having issues, but Interactive Broker is just, man, today, freaking slow as hell. I got the hell out because I was afraid this guy was going to show up again. The guy at 67. Yeah, man, I have no choice. Omar, I have no choice because my client's money is sitting on IB. I want to get him out of there and maybe put him on another platform, but yeah. That's the crystal ball, baby. Down to 71s and then up to 90. Let's do it. Bubble, let's do it. Let's do it, Bubble. Let's get this freaking thing going. I am pumped right now. That's the crystal ball of Bubble. Bubble has a crystal ball under his bed. He just turned it on and every Monday morning, every day in the morning. So I lost 2 points. Thank you, Interactive Broker, for that. I love you, but I hate you as well. It took a freaking long time to get me out of my trade. And my sell stop was right there at 67, below the 67. So I was like, oh no, they didn't execute this. Not now. Not when I didn't get my 80 short. All right, Bubble, let's get into 90s. Yeah, my client's account is Interactive Broker accounts. One with 56K, one with 120K, and the other one with about 90K. One of sitting on my laptop on my right, my laptop on my left. And I have my Thinkorswim here on this platform, plus my Dash Trade platform. So I'm handling 4 clients right now, plus my personal accounts and 401ks. And I'm waiting to execute an order on, by the way, to execute an order on my personal account on 110s. I'm probably gonna chase that 111 on TQQ and go deep with maybe 300 shares. See if we can grab it. You're long 68. Bubble, you took my money, man. So Bubble, you took my money. Long 68. Nice. Yeah, we split, brother. We split. Yeah, I was like, man, I want to go long on this sucker. Let me go back to my interactive broker, my DAS trade. So here is my other platform. I want to show you this. What is my account? There. Well, I don't even know if this is going to show the account. Probably not. There. Okay. So this is the other account, which is for this is only for stocks, right? And this is my DAS trade platform that you see me. The only thing you're gonna see there is level 2. Watch out on that, Danny. Watch out on that 70 drop to the 67 again. If like you see, Bubble just stopped out. Bubble got some money, like 2 points out of it. I'm waiting for this sucker to go down to these 110s. And what I love about this is that I can see the level 2 immediately and my time and sells. I have my time and sells, I think, on 500. That's what I have. I think it's on 500. 500 max. I'll put it back to 300s. Usually for day trading, I want to see the 300s. 2 points for your effort. That's good. That was good. Good. You see that out. Hitting, right? Out. Hitting those. CME. What do we have on the CME? Let me see. That's right. Thank you for that, Omar. The price, 75%, 9 out of 12, right? 9 out of 12. The price has increased 5 hours later to an average of only 21 points, right? Only 21 points. So only 25% of the time, this thing has declined. Thank you so much for that information, Omar. Appreciate it. Thank you. Am I gonna miss this? No. Please don't. Please do not. Oh, let me move the DAS out of the way. Excuse me. So sorry. I'm waiting for that 11, man. I'm gonna really maybe start chasing that 111 on my TQQs to take it back to 14s. Should I just hit the freaking bottom here and go long these 69s? Come on. I need this guy to start pulling, and he's not. Look at the something that you need to start paying attention when we're looking at the order flow. He was not pulling like 3 minutes ago. I mean, 3 minutes, like 3-4 seconds ago, and now he's pulling to get these levels, the 70 longs. Anybody else long? I'm pretty sure that is not an app to download. Is that an app? Actually, that's a free one, or those price action alerts are paid service? Oh, that's the free one. Okay. Nope. Waiting for 68. Long 68s. Let's see if this guy's gonna give me 68, 67s, and I'm gonna put a tight stop. Danny, you're long 70. I'm just letting you know, I'll probably gonna go long only these 68s instead with Bubble. I think Bubble is gonna load the boat here as well. I'm just waiting to hit the button and go to my other accounts and execute that a market if I see those 68, 67s again. Interesting that we drop 2 minutes, and we're going to open C period. Pay attention. 2 more minutes, and we are opening C period. What we could get is an extension of that initial balance low. So that's my only concern, is an extension and buyers showing up to defend those 67s back to the 80. I want to get those 20 points. I don't know about you, but I want to get at least those 20 points on 2 lots. Oh, man, come on. Hit me. Hit me. He's not pulling. And he's coming at the market. He's coming at the market. He's offering some here. 72. Let's see if this guy's going to get them. The book has gone really thin, nonetheless. I don't see a lot of move. Except those buyers do show up at 6,000 lots. Danny is still on it, +2. Good. Good job, Danny. That freaking 80, when I got out of my trade, that was the move of those 67s. And I think Bubble was the only one who grabbed that short on the 80s. Here goes C period. Look what they did with C period. They went to C period at 71, 75, and boom, Danny, are you out? Danny, here is the extension. Pour low. Be careful. Guys, be freaking careful. Here's the extension. Boom. I don't even need to tell you anything. It is all here recorded. Wait. Oh, he showed up at 64. What was the volume on that? He did show up at 64. He showed up at 64. Come on. Whoa, 63s. 63s are coming. Target has been hit. Target has been hit. Come on, give me 64. There, they executed my order. Nice. I just executed an order. I waited for that 64. Jesus Christ. Man. Guys, there you have it. Live. Extension. Pour low. Initial balance. Extension of C. I told you. Wait, Danny, I hope you got that. Wait. 71. Extension. I loaded the boat 64. Let's see if they're going to take me to 71 and get out. Don't let me hang in. Let's go back all the way to 71, 72. Long 41.65. Woo! Bubble. Love it. Love it. Long 68. Stop the break even. You stopped out on that. I'm not getting stopped out yet. I'm actually going to place this to get out. If I see this 70 coming online, I'm going to get out. We are away from the 67. They are still hitting the tape. Here goes 70. Lift the offer. Lift the offer to 71. Lift the offer to 71. 71 coming up. Pulling, pulling. All right, I'm out. Let me get the hell out. I don't like this guy pulling these 70s. Maybe he's going to bring me back to 64. I am out. They fill 68.50 out. So I got about 4 points on that. Man, I don't have times, guys. I'm so sorry to be even typing because you have no idea. I'm so busy. 4 points on Bubble, 4 points on ES Live. I'll see if I reload. Let me go back to my account. Holding 111.50 on the TQQs. TQQs is holding. Look at the NASDAQ. Look at the NQ. Man, look at these guys. I'm going to put a runner on it. Guys, I will probably dump a runner here above the 71. Back to 80. Come on. Come on. Come down a little bit. I want to get a better entry price. I want to see this guy pulling. Man, I got out on that 68. I didn't leave a runner, and this guy's gonna take me to 80, and he's gonna make me go and chase a bit. 72. Let me close this. I have a couple of transactions here, not transactions, opening orders, and if I don't close them, I'm gonna be stuck on these orders. Let me cancel those orders right now. My guys are making a killing today. Jeez. Danny, out. I haven't even looked at the chat. I'm sorry. I only saw Bubble +4. I am +4 already. Danny, you're making +4.5. Good trading on that, Danny. All right, C period. Get me inside overnight range. Just go and get me inside overnight range, and we're going back to 80. On fire. Man, I left some money on the table. When this guy pulled to the 68, I left some money on the table there. I really screw up here. He really tricked me. There was a fade that he did, and he tricked me and then lift the offer immediately. And there goes the 73. We're back inside. ES is negative for the month. Whoop, whoop. And how many of you guys are negative for the month? Just wondering. We haven't had a single negative day for the month of June here in the room. Yeah. So you're up 82% and the market is down negative for the month. I love it. I love it. Month open was 41.82 and now we are what, 41.60s? I don't think so, man. Omar, we barely quit. So let's get back to 42.25. They can push to 180 and 90. I do believe that's the intention for today. That would be cool. Like I said early on I said it. The first scenario was to play down. Second scenario was to go down and then go up. And that has been playing so far. Pretty good. Let me restart this thing and refresh. I want to see them. Man, look at this sucker just going, man. No runner for me. Kind of killed it. Now I want to short these 80s. Let me see. What is my baby oil doing? Freaking oil just sitting now for the rest of the day. Wow, we just got to move out of the NQ and the TQQs. They didn't fill my order. No. 80s, look at C period, guys, coming inside the gap, inside overnight range. Let's hit the 90 and 2000. Let's wait and see if we're going to get the 90 and 2000 now. I mean, 200. Holy crap, what the hell am I saying? 200. All right, Bubble, I'll be playing with you on the 80s. See, let's see if this 80 supply is going to, if this guy is going to pull. Once we start seeing this supply coming, right, let's see if this guy is going to pull us down to the 70s. I want to grab those 8 points on the bottom here, or to the downside, excuse me. Right, that is the move to take. Guys, it is only 10:30 a.m. And out of those 6 lots, I got about 50 points combined throughout all my accounts. I think Omar might have about 250 now. Yep, but a stop is always your best friend. That's what I said. Yep, and that's what Bubble says. And if Bubble speaks about stops, you guys should be listening to Bubble. Been doing this for 25 years. Bubble's been doing it longer, probably. Stop is your best BFF that you can have in the world. I want to short these 80s. Come and get me, baby. I'm just waiting. See if he's gonna rotate back below overnight. The only thing is I have to be smart. Here is the overnight low. They can be short-lived from the 78s to the 73s and then rotate back. So I have to be very smart about it. Oh man, you have to have the hammer time. Let's do a hammer time. Right, Sonny? That's right, baby. You have to bring the hammer time. By the way, I missed completely the time for tomorrow, guys. Anybody wants to be on tomorrow with me, replaying the charts? Uh, what was the plan? Anybody? Any preferences? Uh, I was going live and I was asking you guys questions, and let's see. Anybody answer it? Nobody answered? Okay. If no one answered, that's fine with me. I can do it on my own. I used to do it with all my guys back in 17s, but they lost the love of replaying the charts. Something I do daily. Every night, you're going to see me replaying my charts. I'll do it nighttime when my girls are sleeping and I see what I missed. What did I miss? I always like to see the paper, how the commercial paper came to the levels that I have, because that gives me confidence. Those levels are not there on my charts just because. I mean, you know, I have gotten into so many arguments with dumb people on Twitter, people who actually trade a lot of market profile, and I don't have to explain myself. So tomorrow, those of you who would like to join me, I will be going live unless something changes, any plans changes. So Caesar, okay, so I have some notes here. I was trying to look for that. Caesar, you're on for tomorrow, replay charts. Oh, I'm gonna copy this, man. That's amazing. Bubble, why don't you post that on the, please, can you copy paste that into your, there are some quotes for traders and wisdom. I like what you just posted there. Thank you so much for that. Go ahead and copy paste that and dump it into those quotes so that these guys start looking into how you have become so successful at playing markets. So those of you who just read that, that was pretty amazing. Thank you for that. All right, here goes the 71s again. You see this guy, I was looking at the chat, and I apologize. The guys gave us that 78, came below the 73. Now we are outside again, outside of the overnight range. Let's see if he's gonna come back into it. Developing value to the downside now. Thank you, Bubble. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Now that is on your quotes, guys, and there is a private, I believe. I don't think it's private. It's public. Some quotes from Market Wizard that I'm following on Twitter and other people that I follow. Some pretty nice straight quotes that you can have there. And he also posted on the trading terminology, which is amazing. You guys should be looking at that trading terminology chat that we have, where you're gonna hear me listen, talk about value area low, value area high, TMAR, SOOT, SOH, the low of the day, the high of the day, and you name it. Slowing down here in the market, guys, and I have 50 more minutes to be with you. I want to give you the best setups. It is almost 11 a.m. I think we did capture a good amount of points before 11. And I have to leave. I have to get, I'm ready. I took a shower like at 5 o'clock in the morning this morning. 5 o'clock, and I need to get ready because this is a very important meeting that we have going on with my wife and some members of the community here where I live. And I have to be out. I unfortunately have to leave you guys. I've been staying with you guys until lunch almost every day. Wow. So, anyone who would like to grab the mic, you guys are more than welcome to open the mic. And the mic is open. This is not a dictatorship that I run here in the room. Questions, concerns, input is always appreciated, as long as we are taking care of what the market is giving us. That was a good setup on those 78s, but that was my only risk. My only reward was 73s. I did not want it to go for those 3 points, and it is what it is. Now we're right at it. Let's see if we can come back into this 66. 66 is the value of the initial balance low. So those of you here in the room, first time, you see the nodes on my ladder. Here is the overnight low. Here is the 50% of the initial balance. Here is the open. Everything is on my ladder. Everything at all times. I don't need no charting, no nothing. The only thing I have here are my levels on my right hand side. And I told you, I was not going to have time today. I was going to call out my trades as they were happening, and that's what I've been doing. I did not have time to even post them in the chat. Markets be moving pretty good. So based on that percentage from Omar, should we expect 40 points of this? Is it the statistic that you gave me? Is it 40 of the lows or 40? Let me go read it again. Let me go to my reading comprehension skills. So he's saying that it's 21 points and the max increase has been about 53 points. So if we were to move 21 points from where we are, that would take us back to the 90s, 92s. Okay, so I'm going to play it with maybe with some options. Let me go back to the SPY. Right, he's pulling. Coming at 71s. I mean, can you get me this 66? That would be so freaking awesome. Is there another wave of this algo below that 67? Let me go to the book map. First 2 hours of trading are usually where the algos start building up momentum and getting off of commercial paper coming online, going into launch. You're probably not going to see anything until in the afternoon, excuse me. So it's low, the bubble, the book map today. Oh, look at the 4180s. Oh, look where they are waiting for us, right? Look where they are, 4180s. Huh, interesting. Okay. And here is the big chunk on those 75s, and the next chunk is all the way at 61. Another attempt to go below the 66 here, guys, coming up. As I am talking to you guys, another attempt coming on that 66 initial balance low. 61. That's about 7 points from where we are. I think we hit 63 early on. What was the low for today? It was a 63.50. So we are right underneath that 63.50. $21 points from here will take you back to that 88.90. So I'm going to leave this here because I'm about to go out, guys. Anybody would like to see the ladder today and would like to see the book map online? Let me move it a tiny bit here. I don't think you need this. I'm going to switch the volume so you can see it on your market profile. There. It is 10 minutes before 11 a.m. It is time for me to go. So, heads up, what to expect. Please help each other out. Those of you here in the room, please try to help each other out. Give yourselves ideas. If you guys are more than welcome to do that, please go type them into the chat so everyone else throughout the day. I don't have to be the only one, after I'm gone out of the room, I will be placing my narrative, guys. But you guys are more than welcome. Everyone, of course, is trading your own account, trade with your own risks, right? Look at your risk at all times. And if you hear any idea, doesn't matter if it is from me or from anybody of the guys in the room, always look at everything. Risk, the first thing. Forget about the expectation of the reward. You can forget about that. First thing, risk. If you keep your risk in place, your account, one day at a time, is going to grow. One day at a time, it's going to start growing. All right? That's all I teach here in the room. You don't see me going all crazy, typing orders everywhere. My orders are very strategic orders, right? Like Bubble this morning, shorting that 80. His target, that's 67s. Boom. You see me long 67s, the target, those 80s. Very strategic. Shorting those 84s, getting out of the 80s, strategic. Knowing your risk, let's say if we start seeing the market volume show up to the upside, you start going long, there is your risk, and you need to start measuring the expectation of your rewards. As the market start going with you, you start moving your stop. So what you should be doing, the market goes with you, move this stop. Now your stop is there. The market keeps going higher, you keep moving your stop, right? You keep moving this stop. That is the game to play on days like today, especially quad witching days. You see you have seen it already with me, and Omar has been really helpful with that. In the sense that we have seen this big volume, 6,000 coming here and there in the market. Those guys can stop you out. Those guys can give you a pretty good reward. All right. So always entry. The reason I leave the ladder here, for those of you who do not know much about the ladder, I'm not, guys, I'm not a guru at the ladder, at the DOM. I have learned throughout the years what to look for, different patterns that I see, like when I see pulling of the bids, what is the reaction of the offers? Are they going to give in for him pulling or not? And your entries are based on this. Who is with you? Who's playing with you? So I'll talk about that tomorrow, as hopefully I can play this tomorrow. Well, we're going to see this in YouTube because I have almost 2 hours now on YouTube play. We can replay these first 2 hours on the ladder and start looking at exactly what you just saw right now. When you're trying to go long a number and you see these guys pulling orders and the offers giving it to him, you're going to get better pricing. So if your intention was to go long 68, but you see him pulling, wait for a better entry. You might go long here. When you start seeing quite the opposite on the other side of the spectrum, on the offers, these guys pulling, and the bids start to buy market, hitting those offers, they are lifting those prices. I don't complicate a lot reading the DOM. I like to see exactly what the DOM is doing at all times for my orders to be effective. I placed one quote the other day that I found from Mike, and I'm going to share that with you here. I shared this with you on, let me highlight this quote. Go and read this a couple of times. Go and read it. So you and I, we are active traders. For us, the most important thing is our risk. But fighting for price, this is the key. And this is where everybody get it wrong sometimes in trading stocks. All right? Right? Trading stocks. You need to fight for price. Even though if I have the 67, right? I have the 67 in my mind to go long. But if I see the bids on my ladder doing quite the opposite, I might get 64, right? If my original idea is to go long with this commercial paper, but if the commercial paper is not showing up to shut down these guys, right, to shut him off completely, you might get a better entry. Look at him already pulling 63s, right? They want to go below the 63 and get better prices, right? You see, look what they're doing right in the ladder, right in front of you, all the way from 69. This guy start pulling, offers start giving it to him, start pulling more. He's like, I want better prices. And as long as these guys keep giving these prices to him, he's just loading the boat right at the low of the day. Look, he keeps pulling them, right? You got to get 64. You see that, and you see these numbers on your offers, right? You start playing that game with him. This is how successful prop trading firms work, right? And that's why when you see the time and sells, look at the amount of orders that just hit that 64, yeah? Look at the offers. Look how they are buying those 64, 65s. Right here at the offer, right in front of you. Right? Look, they're buying it, pulling orders. Another set came in. Another set of orders just came in at 64 evens, 64 and a quarters, hitting the offer. They are absorbing it. Everything we're selling to them, they are buying it. So this is the move back to 68. This could be the move back to 68. This might be the move back to 68. Look at him. Now he start grabbing, right? You see? Look at the lift. What did I tell you? Look, just looking at the ladder. I am glad I'm recording this before I finish the room, right? Just like that. He gave 2 points of that 64 and a quarter back to 66 and a quarter, and he's probably out because he was buying 60, he was buying 40s, he was buying, he got about 200 lots there. This was probably a small junior trader at a prop desk, right? And now he's getting hit on a couple of moves. There is go 67. All right, let me see if they're going to give me 68 before I leave. 68. Boom. 69. Come on. Was that easy or what? Pure reading the tape. I'm not even trading with you guys. That was pure read of the dumb. That's it. Right? I saw the move. Yes, I saw the move. This is what I'm listening to. Right? My ears are right here, guys. Right? They are right here. My ears are not with the noise of the market, the noise of CNBC. I don't watch news. That's why, I mean, guys, as of yesterday, I didn't even know that, I mean, so many tweet feeds that are for news. Okay? You see, this is what you need to get better at. Any guy who trades with me, he needs to trade with me and learn from me, right? What I would like from everyone is to learn from me. One thing, learn to read the tape. Guys, if you learn to read this with me, man, I'm telling you, we open a prop firm and we'll be very successful just reading the tape. That's it. You don't need nothing else. So tomorrow morning, we will review exactly this play at 11 a.m. as I'm about to close the room. This was key, how to understand what was happening there. Look at this guy pulling now on the 69s. There, you see that? Look how he's going to get them back to 66. Right? He got 5 points, the junior trader. He got 5 points off the 64, all the way to 69. Right? Whoever jumped with him and whoever understood the tape, which was exactly what you and I were reading, I mean, it was right there. It was right in front of us. Okay? That's why I don't want to bash anybody because I hate talking about anybody else, but I see all these gurus going online talking about market flow and order flow and market profile and all this crap. I never see them trading. In my life, a real life account, never. Right? And they post some entries and exits out of an Excel sheet, and there is everybody going to sign up for their services for a $50, $20, $10. And then they come crying to me that they blew up their accounts there, trading order flow. Apparently, they were trading order flow. It's all bullcrap, right? How easy was this? 64 to 69. 69, he pulled the bids, back at 66. Yeah, look, there we're back at 67 from that 69. So when you're trading 2 points, those of you trading micros and you load 5 lots, 3 lots, 3 lots, if you trading micros, those of you trading micros, you start trading 3 lots, 2 lots, and you see moves like this, man, you make a living in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, okay? All right, guys, time for me to go. I'm going to close it down. This was a fantastic example going into closing the room. So I'll be seeing you guys Monday morning, right? I'll be back in about 3 hours. I think this meeting is going to take about 3 to 4 hours. This is a very long meeting. Thank you so